Hi guys! It's me again, Neng, your property specialist. And today, andito tayo sa South Street 13 for another house tour. Ang house tour natin ngayon is our single attached Elia unit. Floor area is 96 square meters with lot area of 100 to 132 square meters. 3 bedroom ready and 3 toilet and bath. Tara, check natin sa loob. This is the actual turnover unit of fully finished units. Nakatiles na tayo and painted white units.
And meron tayong common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Ito naman yung actual turnover.
Meron tayong space sa likod, provision for your service area and living area. Check natin sa taas. With partitions na rin yung ating mga rooms, and then meron tayong common toilet and bath dito sa taas. It has 3 bedrooms, and maganda dito is meron na tayong toilet and bath sa master bedroom. Single attached has its balcony. Check natin. Sobrang spacious ng ating balcony. Reserve this unit for only 20,000 pesos. For more details and if you are interested in this unit, please message down below.